Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video we are going to learn festivals name. Now let's start. First one is Holi. Holi, Holi. Second one is Onam. Onam, Onam. Third one is Diwali. Diwali, Diwali. Fourth one is Eid. Eid, Eid. Fifth one is Christmas. Christmas, Christmas. Sixth one is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha, Raksha Bandhan. Bandhan, Bandhan, Raksha Bandhan. Seventh one is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh, Ganesh Chaturthi. Chaturthi, Chaturthi. Eighth one is Janmashtami. Janmashtami, Janmashtami. Ninth one is Dussehra. Dussehra, Dussehra. 10th one is Pongal. Pongal, Pongal. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.